Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're also trying to up your water intake, you know how important a great tumbler is. This one is from YOUEXPERT. It has been my go-to and I absolutely love it. There's a few things that I look for in a tumbler. First of all, it has to be pretty. Now, I know that's not important for everybody, but for me, having something that looks nice makes me want to have it with me everywhere. And so this beautiful bay leaf color is gorgeous. It has a really nice matte finish. It looks very sophisticated. It's also the perfect size. So this one is 30 ounces. It makes it easy to take on the go, to keep with you on your bedside, to bring with you to the office. It's very easy to take around. It has a handle. It fits perfectly in a cup holder. It's ideal for on the go. It's also stainless steel and insulated, so it keeps my cold water very cold. I always put ice in my cup and it lasts all night long, all day long. I really like the way it keeps things chilled. And of course, if you want to use it hot, you can do that also. It comes with 2 plastic straws. Now, what I love about this is that there's room for other kinds of straws as well. So I have some pretty large glass straws that I really like to use. They fit in here nicely. It's a silicone hole, so it keeps it really tight on the straw. If you tip this upside down, you might lose a drop or two, but that's it. The lid also swivels to the side if you want to drink it like that. So if you're looking for your next water buddy, I think this one is an awesome choice, and that's my point of view.